Sick. I'm not a huge fan of it, I'm not gonna lie. I beat it.
Have you beaten it?
Yeah.
Yeah. What was your worst fail?
I didn't get like super unlucky. I think like something in the 80s, but I just like didn't really enjoy playing it.
No last wave deaths?
Nope.
Wow, that's impressive. GG's. Did you die to the last click?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so unfortunate.
Alright.
GG's.
Go.
Told you it wouldn't take you long.
It's not a bad level.
You're so
Actually,
good.
it's a really good level. It's just dying to the last click
It's so
sucks.
fun. I didn't die to the last click, surprisingly.